And today we're going to be checking out this pickleball set right here. What we're going to do first is we're going to unbox it real quick, and then we're actually going to give it a quick test to see how well these paddles work, how comfortable they feel, and if they're going to get the job done for you. So let's do it. Okay, so this is how your set's going to come. Whoops. Pull this tab to open it, and you can see right off the bat you're going to get a nice carrying bag, so you won't need that box any longer. You unzip the case, which it's a nice padded case as well, and inside you're going to have 2 orange balls. 2 are indoor balls, 2 are outdoor balls. You get these cooling towels, like a sweat towel basically, help keep your hands dry. You can wear it around your neck. You're going to get a couple really cool paddles that have this nice graphic on it. It says USA Pickleball approved, and they have this little, pull that wrapper off the handle for me. And you do get 2 paddles as well, and they do have a nice grip tape on here. It is a rubberized grip tape, but it's also a high quality one. They do have it stitched all the way around as well, so it has a nice grip to it. You can kind of feel it flex just a little bit, and with these grooves, it gives you finger grooves to put your fingers in, so you can keep that firm grip on your paddle. So I think what we need to do next is let's go ahead and try it out. You ready, Carter?
Yeah. All
right, so we're no pickleball pros, I must admit, but we're going to give it a go and see what we can do. It's very windy, so it's going to be quite hard to control this plastic ball in this wind, but we're going to see if we can get a little volley going, see how these things do. Go for it. Oh, you missed. Point for Dad, right? Is that how it works?
Yeah.
We won't play by the official rules. Let's just get a volley going. Oh no! Dad again.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh man, got me on the short ball.
I didn't even mean to do that. I hit the side of my racket.
Oh, bring it on, chili dog. Oh man. So as you can see, it's a nice set. It's a fun game. You get everything you need, including the carrying bag, and I'm sure that this set is going to do you right. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.